Matapau, Cupid died. Ooh, alleys of Macau. Walking the alleys of Macau. Ooh, Matapau. Ooh, come on, Matapau. Ooh, come on, Matapau. As you know how, oh, as you know how. Just walking through Macau. Ooh, come on, Matapau. Ooh, Macau, walking down Matapau.
Okay, we're going to be filming this one, Hua du Matapau. So we're going to be walking down this street right here. Kind of have a beautiful little shrine right at the very base of it right there. So we're going to walk down it, and then we're also going to give you a little bit of context. And in this whole area we have this and this little plaza. So I'm going to just put it all into context. You can also see this hotel, shoot it that way. So we're going to capture this particular street called Matapau. So stay tuned, let me put it up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so let me just capture that like that. And then before we go down, we're just going to go this way. You have this little square right at the base of it. And then I'll give a little bit of context, but that big green one right there is called the Central Hotel. And that one is all restored, and there's actually a rooftop at the very top of it. 1928, so this one would have been quite well known historically. And they restored it all recently and brought it back to its former glory. But this whole street is called San Malo, and then right where we're at is let me kind of give you some background. So we have this street goes up, and it's called like Mercadores, so that's like the street of the merchants. And we have this beautiful plaza, that's our target street right there. Then you have this nice plaza right here as well. So, okay. And we're gonna be walking down that street in a moment. And then before we do, right down there is called Rua de Felicidade, so that whole street right there. So you had Felicidade, which is where all the prostitution, opium dens, all the kind of historical nightlife area where all the sailors would come in, was that particular street. And then we're gonna just follow this street right here. So this is our target street, and looks like now they got a coffee shop right here as well. I think that seems like it's relatively new, I think. I don't think I've seen that before. Motor. And let's see, I think this green one, I don't know the story about this green one right here, but you can kind of see the buildings, like pretty interesting. Way up there you can see like little rooftops as well. Some of the stuff has green plants that grew up on top already. Also some nice bay window kind of stuff up there too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Let's see, nice beautiful balcony. Another kind of interesting building there. And that's kind of the base that's where we started at. So it's back. But yeah, it's kind of a nice little street. Just kind of see if I can capture this a little bit. So this one has all these beautiful iron gate balconies. And then we're going to continue onward. Then this opens up into this beautiful travessa, which is like a little lane. Let me just capture it. And then we also have a coffee shop behind me, so we'll capture that as well. That one's like a 3-story coffee shop place. Okay. So let's capture this one again. I'm gonna try to capture those balconies. Let's see. There we go. So that's a pretty beautiful building. So we're still on our street right here called Matapau. So we're just gonna go all the way down. And I think at the end of the street, I think it's a dead end. I have been down here before. There's some bird cages, and if I remember right, there's actually some dogs down here, so I'm going to be a little bit careful to go all the way down to the end. But yeah, it's a dog right there. So that's the end of the street right there. So I'm gonna, yeah, that dog will come out. So we'll just capture this real quick. The dog's really growling too. So, okay. So kind of a cool little alley. So we're kind of near the San Malo area. And then you can also see all the balconies in this area as well. So let me just kind of capture that whole little feeling. Okay, let's capture that too. Okay. So really nice. It's kind of hard. It's hard to capture because we're kind of in the alley, but it's a really beautiful building and structure. So anyways, this is another slice of Macau, and we'll just walk back to all the way back to the main street here. So yep, not too far from San Malo, and not too far from Pure Felicidade. Okay. So really, really nice little area. So that's our street right there. Okay. Actually, let me just kind of do it like that, so we'll just capture this whole space in here. And that will be the end of the video. Okay, so we'll end the video.